Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore video rankings with VidIQ keyword research, full guide step by step clearly. To restore video rankings using VidIQ keyword research, start by accessing your VidIQ account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the search bar. Enter a relevant keyword or phrase related to your video's content. Observe the list of suggestions provided by VidIQ. Pay attention to the search volume and competition metrics for each keyword. Choose keywords that have a high search volume but low competition. Click on your selected keyword to view further insights. Review the topic score to understand its potential for ranking. Using the information gathered, update your video title with the chosen keyword. Make sure to incorporate the keyword naturally into the video description. Next, add relevant tags that include the selected keyword and related phrases. Now, check your video's analytics to identify areas for improvement. Analyze your audience retention and click-through rate data. Adjust your thumbnails or intro if necessary to better capture viewer interest. Ensure your video is engaging throughout its duration. Once changes are made, promote your video through social media and other channels. Monitor your video's performance over the following weeks. Continue to refine your tags and description based on ongoing keyword research. Stay informed about trends in your niche to capitalize on new keyword opportunities. By consistently applying these techniques, you can effectively restore and improve your video rankings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.